Hi, and welcome back to Creative Digital Designs. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can get Canva template design links every single month. These template links are going to be for people who you want to use it to create money or income from. You can use them for personal use, but this is going to be for people who are maybe in the beginning stages and they don't know how to build out templates, but they want to start making money either on Etsy or your own website. And so, in order to get these templates, you're going to I have a new membership. I also have a ton of free videos on my channel. Like I said, if you're new, I have over an hour long video on how to use Canva tutorial for beginners. And so if you want to go through and review and watch my free videos first, you can do that. But I recently launched my membership, and as you can see here, we have the starter, which is $2.99. This is early access to new videos, priority replies to comments. We have this tier right here, which is member only polls and member only shout outs. So during the polls, I'm going to be asking questions about the type of videos that you want to create. So you'll be able to give me feedback and to the type of videos that I'm creating, and you'll see those videos that you suggest. And then to get right to it, the Creative Star tier, which is $9.99 a month. This is where you're going to get the member only videos, exclusive content, and you're going to get the Canva template design links emailed to you. When you sign up for this membership, there's going to be a link to a form. So I would need you to please fill that out, and you're going to include your email so that I can email you these template links. And so just to get an idea of some of the templates that you'll be getting sent template on journals, planners, and that you can go ahead and edit in Canva, or you can sell as is. You can sell them as digital designs, or you can upload them to Amazon KDP. Only thing you'll need to do is create your cover. That way that everyone doesn't have the same cover. So you'll need to design that. And I do have a video on my channel on how to design Amazon KDP covers if you want to go ahead and review that. But I'm going to go ahead and give you some examples. So this is something that you may get sent. It's a prayer journal. And you can go ahead and edit every single thing, the text, the colors. This is 19 pages. Another thing that you may get is a recipe book. Again, everything can be edited. You can duplicate these. And like I said, these are for reselling or for personal use. But because it is a paid membership, of course, reselling will be the best thing. You're going to get sent the PDF version if you just want to have it as is. And this is the one that already has 120 pages and it duplicates it. So this is, for example, would be an Amazon KDP. And here, if you don't want to change the colors or anything, you can get sent this as well. And then we have a 2027 wedding planner. So this has 60 pages. We have the full year calendar on here. 2027 full year calendar on here. And then we have the engagement party details, engagement shoot. We have the wedding day budget planner, wedding contact pages, important dates, wedding day checklist, wedding day guest list, the ceremony decor, order of events, bridal shower invites, wedding preparation. As you can see, there's a lot of different wedding timeline. There's a lot of different things. So these are the type of templates that you will get sent. Like I said, there's going to be a lot of different niches, just for a variety of niches, so people can have different things that they are selling. I know everybody's in different niches, and so if it does not apply to you, and it's not something that you would want to sell, you can. That's part of where the polls are at as well, and you can also email me. My email is in the bio of my YouTube channel. If you go to more and you scroll down, hit view email address, and you can email me as well. And I will see based off of your form if you match your email and your name on the form. I will know for sure that you are a member, and I will be able to create or send the type of content that matches the niche that you're in. But like I said, it's going to be different ones. I know that most of the people who watch my channel are women, just basically looking at my analytics. So I will have a lot of things tailored to that. Yeah, so this is how you're going to be able to have Canva design templates that you don't have to create from scratch, that you can resell on your website, on Etsy. You can edit the colors, you can edit the text, the font, any of those things, but you won't have to build any of these things from scratch. So all you have to do is go to my channel and go to memberships, and then it will, on your view, it will tell you to join the membership. Again, there's 3 different tiers. I know there's some people who have been watching my videos for a while, or you might be new to my channel. So like I said, if you want to go and watch some of my free videos just to get a feel of the type of content that I make and the type of value that I bring, feel free to do that as well. And I hope that you have a great day. Bye-bye.